Hey guys, what is going on with you? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this video what I'll be showing you how to do is how you can change positions of your players in FIFA, in EA's FC Mobile 24. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. And yeah, this is the screen you will come to whenever you log into your account. This is a fairly new account. I have barely played the game, so this is pretty much what it'll look like exactly when you finish the tutorial. I just finished a few challenges. I think I finished even the kickoff campaign, which is to the right where this shifting button is located now. That's where your yeah, as you can see, kickoff is right there. But yeah, what I was going to show you, is how to change your positions of your players. By this point, you should already have a complete team. So what you want to do is just go into the club tab. And once you're here, you want to continue on to my team. And this will open up your ultimate team view, pretty much. Here you can change, just swap out the players however you'd like. You can drag somebody from the reserve into play by just dragging and replacing. You can do that with your players already in the game, and as you can see, they will switch places. You can also click on one player, click swap, and you can swap him out for another player by dragging that other player. Let's say this guy, drag him here, and you'll compare them, and just by clicking swap you will change them, and that is how you swap players. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.